All right, it is February 19th, and we got paid our earnings for the week last night on February 18th. This account here has $8,271.30 in the trading account, and this over here that they put in my wallet, $1,913.21, is the amount that I earned for the last week. So I am going to take almost all of this off the platform. I'm not going to reinvest it. I'm going to take all of it off of the platform. So the first thing that I need to do is I need to create a pay address of where I want it to go. So I'm going to go here, click under payment account, and I'm going to click create crypto, and I'm going to call this USDT. Okay, and the only thing that we can choose here is USDT TRC20, which is, there's two versions of USDT. There's the one that runs on the Tron network, and there's the version that runs on the Ethereum network. We want the version that runs on the Tron network, Tether, so on and so forth. So I need to go over to my CoinZoom account and grab the wallet address. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to click on portfolio. And you see this one, Tether USDT. That's the wallet that I want to send the money to. I'm going to click on receive. It's telling me only send USDT coin Tether to this address. Sending any other digital asset will result in permanent loss. I understand. Again, I said it either runs a USDT for the Ethereum or Tron. I want the Tron wallet address, and I'm going to just go ahead and copy that address. I'm going to go back over here to Intelligence Prime. I'm going to put that wallet address in here, and I just want to make sure that this is the right wallet address, so I'm going to check the first three and the last three. First three and the last three. Okay. And I'm going to send code. Okay. The code is 693921. All right. We click confirm. And now I have just set up my payment address. Now I go over here to transactions, withdrawal, and I'm going to enter the withdrawal details. So I'm going to, I have 1913 but I'm just going to use 1903. And there's a $3 withdrawal fee, so the amount that should go over there is an even $1,900. I'm going to go ahead and click send code. And the code is 754. And if you see here, I can choose what account I want to withdraw the crypto to. Since I only have one, this is the only one that shows up. Put the code in, and I'm just going to click submit. If you saw up here on the right, it says that it had sent successfully. Now, I will say that the time for the withdrawal to be approved could be 2 to 3 hours up to 24 hours. And when I did this last time, it actually took between 11 and 18 hours for it to get approved and to get over into my CoinZoom. I said 11 to 18 because I actually went to bed during that time period, so I'm not sure exactly how long it really took. In any event, we will come back when it is ready and I will show you the rest. Before I go, I just want to show you that I am back. So actually the process for withdrawals, they say is 24 to 48 hours. Depending upon when you do the withdrawal, it can take a few hours, it can take 48 hours, depending upon when you do it. If you do your withdrawal shortly after the money is deposited in your wallet and before 280,000 people start going to move money and withdraw wallets, you can get it done a lot sooner. But I did it right in the middle of that, and the traffic gets through by Saturday night, because we get paid on Friday night, and by Saturday night the traffic is really heavy with, like I said, 180,000 plus people moving money around, and they have to approve each and every one. So it just takes a while. But as you can see here, my wallet balance is now $10.21 because I took off the 1900. Let's go over to my CoinZoom account, and bingo, $1,900 is now there. Easy peasy. And I'm not going to do it because I'm going to maybe keep it here a few days and do some other things with it. But if I want to send this to my bank account, I would first just convert it to US dollars, and then I would send it to my my bank account by either wiring the funds over, or I would use my debit card with my bank to send it that way. And how I would do that is just click on the send button, and I would then be able to send that wherever I wanted to send it. Okay, alrighty.